Looking for Morphy Richards cordless vacuum to buy on Black Friday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, the 3-in-1 versatility of the Supervac Sleek means that you can use it all around the home. Suitable for all floors all around the home, by Morphy Richards. Number 2, Morphy Richards Supervac Sleek Power Plus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, another great product by Morphy Richards. Number 3, the Supervac Sleek Cordless Cleaner is perfect for everyday cleaning, and can be used in 3 different ways: as a cordless stick vacuum cleaner for daily use across all floors, in extended reach mode, and as a handheld cleaner. UK Black Friday deals are now online. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and deals.